will obediently obey. Alright, he fetches the command, he will check what's the string is, and then he will just perform whatever it's supposed to do. You can also play an alert. For example, if you want the client to play an alert, so so if the command contains a beep, then you could, if you receive a beep command, then you could run a beep, console.beep, like this. So console.beep, we have two parameters, 500 frequency, and I think 200 is the duration, or is it the other way around? Okay, let's see. You can put your, okay, you see here, console.beep, and then you have two different variation. Okay, first one is the frequency. When you click on this, it shows you the two possible parameters. One is without parameter, and then you click down here, it shows you the second version, which accepts two parameters. The first parameter is your frequency. So let's say we want it to be 500 Hertz, and second one will be your duration, let's say 200 milliseconds. Alright, so now we can execute three different commands: say hello, say goodbye, and beep. So now we are going to do this again. Reboot. Okay, let's stop this. Let us first stop this, and then save, and then reboot. Alright. Okay, so now we are going to run our new breadboard. For a new breadboard, from here. This time you can execute three different commands. Now it's saying goodbye. Alright, so now we go back to our server and we change this to beep. Then we save it. Okay, I think the string is wrong. Lowercase beep. Change this to lowercase beep. So we rebuild. Okay, so we save it and we rebuild it. Okay, no errors, so we run it. Okay, so we go back to the client now, go back to the server and change the command. Okay, it's supposed to beep now. Let's wait for it. I'll change my speaker to my computer speaker so you can hear the beep. Okay, you hear that? Okay, every 2000 milliseconds it beeps. Okay, if I want to change the behavior, I don't want it to beep anymore. All I have to do is go back here and change this to something else. Do nothing. I click save. So now it will stop beeping because it's not supposed to do anything. Okay? If I wanted to beep, I go back to the server and change this to beep, and I click save, and it start to beep again on the client side. See that? If I wanted to pop up a message to say bye, I just say bye on the server side. I save this, and here it will pop up a message box to say goodbye. Alright. Okay, so this is a simple way to implement a remote client execution. So of course later on we are going to develop a very nice graphical user interface. Instead of manually typing in the screen here, we are going to implement a very beautiful user interface for the server side, for the command and control server, so that you can and have buttons to click on and so on to execute command rather than manually typing it. But for now, I just wanted to make it simple so that you can understand easily what's happening behind the scenes. Okay, so that's all for this practical walkthrough. Thank you for watching.